What's up all you guitar players? Welcome to Easy Guitar Practice. Before I break down this exercise, let's go ahead and review it for those of you who didn't get a chance to see it on TikTok. For us, an exercise like this is all about drilling a specific chord shape. So I'm not going to break down the strumming pattern in the video because you can strum this how you'd like. In this example, we're bouncing back and forth from a C major 7 to a G major 7 by moving one chord shape. Really quick, this shape is played on the D, G, B, and high E string. The C major 7 is 10, 9, 8, 7. The G major 7 is 5, 4, 3, 2. Again, this exercise is all about hammering a specific chord shape. So strum it how you want, play it at an appropriate tempo, and then move on to all the other fun guitar stuff you want to do in your session. Play all the songs you want to learn, all the solos you want to learn, and we'll see you next time.